Software implementation primarily includes the development of the software and its related operations. For example, the deployment related activities of a software is an operation. Traditionally, organizations have focused on the aspect of software development. But as codes and systems became more and more complicated, the operations part of software development also gained prominence. DevOps is a practice which combines the development and operation part of software development to build a continuous pipeline of deployment, such that organizations can release working features of a software to its customers as quickly as possible. DevOps intends to be cross-functional mode of working, hence those who practice the methodology use different sets of tools, referred to as tool chains rather than a single one. These tool chains facilitate one of the following categories: coding, building, testing, packaging, releasing, configuring, and monitoring. Code development and review and operations like code merging can be done by a source code management tool like Git, which takes care of versioning, branching, etc. Building refers to the continuous integration tools like Jenkins, which merges all developers' copies to a shared mainline several times a day. Continuous testing tools like Selenium execute automated tests as part of the software delivery pipeline and obtain immediate feedback on the business risks associated with a software release candidate. Packaging refers to a software repository or a storage location for software packages. These are also called artifacts management tools. One such example is Nugget. Releasing refers to the release automation tools like Automic, which packages and deploys an application or update of an application from development across various environments and ultimately to production. These tools generally combine the capabilities of deployment automation, environment management, modeling, and release coordination. Configuring or infrastructure configuration and management refers to infrastructure as code tools like AWS and Chef define processes of managing and provisioning computer data centers through machine readable definition files rather than physical hardware configuration or interactive configuration tools. Finally, monitoring refers to application performance monitoring tools like New Relic APM tools, which helps in the monitoring and management of performance and availability of software applications. DevOps is basically a culture of cooperation. Automation helps in stable deployments, which decreases lead time, which is aligned with lean principles. DevOps provides end-to-end agility. It's a cultural shift to build efficient pipeline to build healthy operational practices. Many organizations are in the process of making this cultural shift, and many are still contemplating. DevOps is the present and the future of software development, and it is a good time to learn it now before it becomes a history in the ever-evolving story of software development.